Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I turned these old ugly shelves into this beautiful wall art. It was super easy to do and very affordable. So while I was redoing my room, I really wanted some wall art, but it is super pricey. So I decided to go into the basement and see what we had. So I found these old shelves. Also, don't mind my outfit. I was like in the middle of cooking and doing 100 things, so I had lots of different outfits on. But anyway, I found these old shelves and I thought I could do something with them. So I cut them down to 16 inches. And as you guys can see, I am just chopping these. I'm sure you guys could probably get these pre-made. I've seen things like this before at Michael's and other like home goods stores. So you guys could probably get it made, but like I said, it was super cheap to do at home. So now I just took a sander and I'm just finishing off all the rough edges. I actually like how some of these have some character to it and dents and stuff like that because it makes it look more rustic. So I just mixed a little bit of water in with a little bit of white paint, and I just kept adjusting it until I got the finished look that I loved, and this is what I decided to go with. So now I'm just putting a mark at 8 inches, so it's directly in the middle of the board, and then 1 inch from the top. So what I'm measuring is where the clip is going to go, and now I'm measuring where the rope is going to go. And I'm really proud of myself because I never measure anything. I'm the type of person who always just eyeballs it and hopes for the best. But since I was making 6 of these, I needed them to all be exact and even because you were going to be able to tell if they weren't. So now I'm just putting a mark at 4.5 inches and 11.5 inches. And then I also again measured that an inch down and then made my little mark. So these marks are going to be where we're drilling in holes. So I took the drill with a 3/4 of an inch drill bit and I am just drilling down for the holes, and I wasn't doing it this way the entire time, but it was really hard to film this without someone helping me, and this was the only angle I could get in the basement because my tripod broke. So as you guys can see, the holes are there and we are ready to go. Wilbur was so adorable and he was just sleeping on my coat the whole time I was doing this. So I got these clips off of Amazon. I think it came with either 20 or 40 and it was like $6, so I'll leave that link down below. If you want to do this in a more secure way, you could definitely take a nail and just nail this into the board, but hot glue works like a charm, so I decided to just hot glue it on. So after that was hot glued on, I thought it looked awesome. So now I just took the rope and I put that through the first hole, and again, I'm very proud of myself for measuring this all out. You guys don't understand how much I hate measuring. I'm not good at it either. Math was always my worst subject, so I just feel like either way I mess it up, but this time I was good with it and didn't mess anything up. So I measured these all at 22 inches long, and then I cut the rope, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You put the rope through the holes and then you tie a knot. You guys could definitely get away with probably not having to put a hole in the wood, and you could probably just like hot glue the rope on somehow to the front of it, but I just wanted to make sure it was really secure. So next I just printed off some pictures at Staples. I kind of made this our honeymoon wall and put all of our pictures from our honeymoon on it, and I really love how it came out. So I'm just printing out, or cutting out rather, some of my favorite pictures. So I just clipped that in, and then I also took double-sided tape and just put it on the corners of the pictures. That way they didn't curl up at any point. So unfortunately, I forgot to print out my 6th picture, but it actually worked out to my advantage because I came up with this idea to put a wreath on one of these, and I love how it looks. I think it actually looks better than just having all pictures. It kind of breaks it up a little bit. So this was my Christmas wreath from Walmart, but I added on a different bow, took off the Christmas stuff, and just stuck it on there, and I really love how it came out. So if you guys try out this project, be sure to tag me on Instagram and send me your pictures. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!